Hello everyone, this is Latish. As we begin the new year of 2025, I would like to start with comparing the two ethical funds which are currently in the market and has been running in the market for the last few years. They are Tata Ethical Fund and Taurus Ethical Fund. Along with this, there is a new ethical fund which is also in the market, which is from Quantum. I am not reviewing or comparing that currently as their portfolio is still not out as of Jan 5th, 2025. So in this video, I'll be comparing these two funds, showing their real returns for the last 15 years. By real returns, I mean what kind of returns in terms of INR you must have received if you did invest during this period is what I will be showing. Along with that, I will also compare the portfolio, which is one of the most asked query in terms of Tata and Taurus. So if you're someone who is looking to invest or would like to understand the ethical investing in India, please do watch the entire video so that you get all the information which is required for investing. If you are new to investing or if you're looking to invest in any of these funds, please do reach out to me at the number mentioned on the screen as well as in the description. Let me begin by introducing myself. My name is Latish. I help with investing in mutual funds and also direct stocks through small case. Currently, I manage a portfolio of about 5 CR with 50 plus clients. And one of the most managed funds by me is the ethical funds. So if you are looking for Shariah based investing in mutual funds and stocks, please do reach out to me through WhatsApp at the number mentioned. So let's begin and understand the differences between these two ethical funds and also what kind of returns they have generated in the past 10-15 years. Let me take you to my screen now. So here you can see this is the Tata Ethical Fund page, just to give you an overview, but we will get into more details of this in the comparison which I have already prepared. So first let's start with the comparison of these two mutual funds. So let's start with the basic understanding of what are the features of these two funds. Category, both these funds are thematic, Tata Ethical and Taurus, because they specifically invest in Shariah based funds. Inception, Tata Ethical Fund has been in the market since 1996. Taurus has been in the market since 2009. Overall AUM, Tata has 3,200 and Taurus has 262 crores. Here you have the details of the NAV and also the expense ratio. Riskometer is very high for both because majority of their investments is in equities. Benchmark they take Nifty 500 Shariah and BSE 500 Shariah. Fund managers are Abhinav Sharma for Tata Ethical and Anuj Kapil for Taurus Ethical Fund. Exit load. Exit load is 0.5% if you are redeeming in the first 90 days for Tata and 1% if you are redeeming in the first 365 days. This is an important information which you need to be aware if you are looking only for short term. But ideally, in mutual funds, you should be looking for a long-term investments of at least 5 to 10 years. Both these schemes are open-ended schemes. Now let's do a comparison of if you had invested 1 lakh in all of these funds, comparing them to the fixed deposit, gold and PPF. As I've mentioned earlier, I've taken 15 years as the time period. So the investment started was 4th of Jan 2010. Invested amount was 1 lakh for both Tata and Taurus. Here you can see the total value as of now for Tata Ethical Fund is 6.77 lakhs and for Taurus Ethical Fund is 6.45 lakhs. Whereas the Nifty 50 TRI has given 5.49 lakhs and fixed deposit would have given 2.77. Along with that, a comparison of gold and PPF is also something which you can see here. Gold has given 4.65 and 3.12 is PPF. Along with that, you will see the absolute returns and also the XIRR returns. XIRR returns are basically the annual returns for you to understand each of these funds have given over this period of time. So you can clearly see the kind of returns these two funds have given over 15 years and how it's been beneficial for the investors of these funds as well. Now let's look at rolling returns for these two funds. This is also an important parameter which you should be aware of when you're trying to understand the performance of any mutual fund. So let's understand the return statistics for 1 year. The average return has been 14.48 for Tata. The median return is 10.6. The maximum return over a period of 10 years, which is 2015 to 2025, the maximum return it has given over 1 year is 83.6% and the maximum drawdown is minus 19%. Similarly, for 3 years and 5 years is what you see here. The maximum return over a 3-year period is 31.02 and over a period of 5 years it has been 23.95. What you should be aware of is the drawdown. As you can see, the more you invest, the maximum drawdown reduces For 3-year period is minus 3.67 and for 5-year it is minus 0.178. Now let's look at Taurus. Here you can see Taurus has given over a period of 1 year the maximum return of 76 and minus 18 has been the drawdown. Similarly for 3 years it's been 25% minus 1.49 and 5-year it has been 23.74 and minus 1.11. And here are some other parameters which gives you an idea as to what kind of returns these funds have given. Greater than 20% of returns, this fund has given Tata 25% of the time over the last 10 years. So these are some of the parameters which you should be aware of while investing to understand if all the financial planning which you're doing can give you the returns which is being allocated to it. What is financial planning? This is something which we do before investing in any funds, wherein we identify what goals you are looking to invest. It could be your retirement or your child education, and based on that we come up with what is the SIP you should be investing in. To get your financial planning done and also to understand how to start investing, please do reach out to me at the number mentioned, and also in the description you will find the WhatsApp link through which you can discuss and start the investing journey. Now let's look at the portfolio overlap between these two funds. So here you can see in total there are 21 common stocks between these two funds. The overall percentage portfolio overlap is 29%. So what that means is 29% of the stocks overlap between these two funds. Now let's look at some of the examples of the common stocks which are there in both these funds. Asian Paints has 0.62 in Tata and 1.32% in Taurus. BHEL has 1.57% in Tata and 1.08% in Taurus. Similarly, these are some of the common stocks which you see in Tata and also Taurus. The highest percentage which you see here in terms of having an overlap is of course TCS, which has 6.2% in Tata and 3.89% in Taurus. And the overall common stocks percentage is what you see here, 37.38% and 35.67% is Tata and Taurus common stock percentage. Here are some of the uncommon stocks which are in each of these funds. You can pause the video and look at each of these stocks to understand what kind of portfolio overlap and also portfolios each of these funds carry. This is the uncommon stocks portfolio percentage. 55% has uncommon in Tata and 61% uncommon in Taurus. Finally, let me also take you through a lump sum and SIP comparison and what kind of returns you would have generated in Tata and Taurus. On your screen, you will see if you had invested 1 lakh lump sum amount, what is the return Tata would have given and Taurus. Along with that, the SIP returns is what you see here on your screen for both Tata and Taurus. So that was a comparison video of Tata and Taurus for the year 2024, and also looking forward what kind of ethical funds you can invest and generate the returns which you are looking for to achieve your financial goals. I hope you like this video. If you did, please do hit the like button, share it with your friends, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so. Finally, let me also remind you, you can also reach out to me at the WhatsApp number mentioned if you are looking for help in terms of investing in Shariah based ethical funds. Thank you for watching and have a good day.